Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A lush escape, description of a tropical living room design. Imagine a living room that transports you to a permanent vacation. A tropical living room design embodies the vibrant colors, lush greenery, and relaxed vibes of a tropical paradise, creating a space that's both inviting and stylish. Here's a glimpse into this exotic haven, a color palette of paradise. Natural greens, lush greens set the foundation, evoking the feeling of a tropical rainforest. Think leafy wallpaper accents, potted plants, or even green painted furniture for a bold statement. Ocean blues and turquoise. Ocean blues and turquoise hues bring the tranquility of the sea indoors. Use these colors for throw pillows, area rugs, or accent walls to create a sense of serenity. Pops of warm colors. Tropical flowers are known for their vibrant colors. Incorporate pops of yellow, orange, or pink through artwork, decorative objects, or accent furniture to add a touch of playful energy. Natural materials take center stage. Rattan and wicker. Rattan and wicker furniture with natural woven textures add a touch of organic charm and are perfect for creating a relaxed atmosphere. Wood accents, light-colored wood tones on furniture, flooring, or even wall paneling add warmth and a sense of connection to nature. Abundant greenery. No tropical paradise is complete without lush greenery. Fill your space with potted plants like monstera leaves, fiddle leaf figs, or hanging vines to create a vibrant jungle feel. Openness and connection. Spacious layout. An open floor plan allows for natural light to flow freely and creates a sense of spaciousness, reminiscent of a tropical beach house. Large windows and sliding doors. Maximize natural light with large windows and consider incorporating sliding glass doors that blur the lines between the living room and an outdoor patio or balcony. Outdoor connection. If possible, design your living room to seamlessly connect with an outdoor space. This allows you to extend your living area outdoors and enjoy the tropical breeze. Tropical touches. Tropical prints. Introduce a touch of island flair with throw pillows, rugs, or wall art featuring tropical prints like palm leaves, pineapples, or flowers. Woven baskets and natural textiles. Woven baskets and natural fiber textiles like jute or sisal add texture and a touch of bohemian charm. Seashell accents, optional for a subtle nautical touch. Incorporate seashells or coral accents into your decor. Ambient lighting. Create a warm and inviting ambience with soft lighting. Floor lamps with woven shades or strategically placed table lamps can add a touch of tropical sophistication. A tropical living room design isn't just a room, it's a feeling. This design style allows you to create a space that's both relaxing and visually stimulating, a permanent vacation spot within your own home. Reasons to design a tropical living room. Escape the ordinary and bring the paradise vibes indoors with a tropical living room design. Here's why you should consider transforming your space into a permanent vacation getaway. Tranquil retreat. The calming color palette of greens, blues, and pops of bright colors fosters a sense of relaxation and serenity, allowing you to unwind and de-stress after a long day. Connection with nature. The abundance of plants, natural materials, and light brings the outdoors in. This connection with nature can have a positive impact on your mood and well-being. Unique and inviting atmosphere. The vibrant colors, natural textures, and tropical touches create a unique and inviting atmosphere that's sure to be a conversation starter among guests. Versatility for entertaining. The open floor plan and potential connection to an outdoor space make a tropical living room ideal for entertaining. Imagine hosting gatherings with friends and family amidst the relaxed vibes of your own tropical paradise. Boosts your mood. Studies suggest that surrounding yourself with the colors and elements of nature can uplift your mood and reduce stress. A tropical living room can be a daily dose of sunshine and good vibes. A timeless design. Tropical design elements like rattan furniture, woven textures, and leafy greens never seem to go out of style. You can create a space that feels current yet timeless. Getting started with your tropical paradise. Designing a tropical living room. Transforming your living room into a relaxing oasis requires planning and incorporating key elements. Here are some initial steps to guide you. 1. Embrace the light. Maximize natural light by ensuring your windows are clear and uncluttered. Consider adding skylights or strategically placed mirrors to further brighten the space. 2. Color scheme selection. Choose a calming base of green with pops of bright colors like turquoise, yellow, or coral. Experiment with paint colors, throw pillows, and artwork to find a color palette that reflects your personal style. 3. Natural materials matter. Opt for furniture made from rattan, wicker, or light-colored wood. Incorporate woven baskets, jute rugs, and natural fiber accents to create a sense of organic warmth. 4. Let there be plants. Tropical plants are a must. Choose a variety of sizes and textures, placing them on end tables, bookshelves, or hanging them from the ceiling. Consider monstera leaves, fiddle leaf figs, or even a small banana tree for a dramatic touch. 5. Open up the space. If possible, open up your floor plan to create a sense of spaciousness. Remove unnecessary furniture and consider rearranging existing pieces to promote a more open flow. 6. Connect with the outdoors. If you have a patio or balcony, incorporate features that blur the lines between the indoors and outdoors. Sliding glass doors or strategically placed furniture can create a seamless connection. 7. Tropical touches. Add a touch of island flair with throw pillows featuring palm leaves, artwork depicting tropical scenes, or woven baskets filled with colorful blankets. 8. Lighting for ambience. Create a warm and inviting atmosphere with soft lighting. Floor lamps with natural fiber shades, table lamps with seashell bases, optional, or strategically placed string lights can add a touch of tropical charm. 9. Textiles and textures. Layer in texture with woven throws, jute rugs, and natural fiber curtains. This adds depth and visual interest to your space. 10. Accessorize with care. Don't go overboard with decorations. Choose a few statement pieces like a seashell sculpture, optional, or a vibrant painting to complete the tropical look. A tropical living room design allows you to create a space that's both beautiful and functional, a place to relax, unwind, and feel like you're on vacation every day. So, unleash your inner island decorator and get started on creating your own personal tropical paradise. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.